CBSE learners, how are you all? Are you staying at home? Are you reading? Are you practicing? Okay, so have you gone through the Tsunami lesson part 2? So today it's time to give you the comprehension check of the part 2, right? As I have said you in my previous video. Before I give you the comprehension check, have you subscribed to my channel or not? That is the main thing I need to ask now. Then only I will get energy to make the videos, right? So, if you have not still subscribed, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you will be notified whenever I am posting my videos. Now, let's see the comprehension check part 2. Now, first question is, why did Tilly's family come to Thailand? Now, why do you think they went to England? They went to Thailand from England. Why? Because now answer the following in a phrase or sentence. So you are required to answer either in a phrase or in a sentence. So you can write like this: to celebrate Christmas Eve. That is a phrase in a phrasal manner, or you can write Tilly's family came to, went you can write, or came also you can write. Came to Thailand to celebrate Christmas Eve. So the answer is Tilly's family. Now here come is there, so let us use the past form of come, because here they have given did. So came. If they have written here both, then we can use the word went, right? But here they have used the word come. In question they have said come. So you have to write the past form of come, that is came. Now Tilly's family came to Thailand to celebrate Christmas Eve. Okay. Now number 2. What were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? Now what were the warning signs they saw? They saw the water swelling and kept coming in, and the beach was getting smaller and smaller. So now let me write the question. What were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? Now what were the warning signs? Answer: firstly, they were warned when they saw the water swelling up and kept coming in. Secondly, the beach was getting smaller and smaller. Okay. So firstly, they were warned when they saw the water swelling up and kept coming in, when they saw the water rising. And secondly, the beach was getting smaller and smaller. Why? Because the water was rising and it was filling the beach. Okay. So first 2 question is clear. Next, the second. Do you think Tilly's mother was alarmed by them? Do you think? Actually, she was confused. She was in a state of confusion. She was not alarmed. Tilly was alarmed. But Tilly's mother was she didn't understand what was happening. Already have given the line, I did not understand what was happening. Now you can use that line as a number 3. Do you think Tilly's mother, number 3, do you think Tilly's mother was alarmed by them? So it depends on you what you want to write the answer, but to me it is no, because she has said in this context that I didn't know what was happening. So you can use this term. No, she was not alarmed by them. We can say this as a reference to the context of Tilly's mother opinion where she says, now you can mention the line, I didn't know what was happening. Okay. So she said here that I didn't know what was happening. You can use this reference to the context, and always remember to use inverted comma whenever you are using the reference to the context. Now next, the fourth one. Now let me see the fourth one. Where had Tilly seen? Where had Tilly seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion? So where she has seen in her geography class in a video. So number 4 is, where had Tilly seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion? Answer will be, Tilly had seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion in her geography class, where her teacher had shown her a video of tsunami which hit Hawaiian island in the year 1946. Okay. So you can skip the first portion if you really have seen with the behaving in the sea, because I prefer to write this because it seems more appealing, right? instead of, but though they have said in a sentence you write, but it's not possible to write in a sentence. If you want to write in a sentence, you can write, you can skip this one, you can only write that teacher had her teacher had shown in her, or you can see in her geography class. Okay, you can skip this also. If you are, you have to see the marks content for part question. Okay, now if your teacher gives for one question 2 marks, you can write this one. If you see your teacher is giving only 1 mark, you can write in her geography class. Now you have to write according to the marks given to the marks allotted for part question. If you see, I have written this in a, you can write in 3 marks or 2 marks question. Okay, but if you are asked to write only 1 mark question, then you write only this one in her geography class. Okay, is it clear to you? Now the comprehension check is completed, part 2. Now in my next video I will give you the third part. Okay, thanks a lot for watching our video. Stay tuned with us for more informative video. Thank you.